Hey my friends, welcome to the channel. I'm glad you guys decided to stop in. Today, I'm gonna do a little bit of reading for y'all. Welcome homies. And I'm glad you guys decided to stop back for another one. So if you guys never seen my other upload, I announced last month's winner. So make sure you guys check that out. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to see who it is. Maybe it's you. Check it out. And welcome all non-subscription holders to the channel. Become one of the homies. Join the winning team. The Hometown Stories team. Because here, you're like family. So, like, comment, subscribe, and share. And let's get on with it.